this person, I would say, around the time we founded this club, maybe a few weeks later, and then dashing, daring, diminutive as well. I just couldn't fathom how there was so much power packed in this person. It took a while to understand some of that. They say when it rains, it pours. When this person speaks, it takes a while to figure out. Don't ever go by appearances. You just cannot underestimate someone's power in terms of their ability to deliver, in terms of their ability to get things done. What can I tell you? I'm here today to roast, and roast is toast with a difference. As much as I want to say good things about the person, I also want to pull her leg in a good humored way. I always thought I could keep my personal life out of Toastmasters. For a long time, I thought I had succeeded, and then this person I hold responsible for letting the cat slip out of the bag. And one day, one new member asked, so and so is the president of the Toastmasters, I need to hand off something. I said, yeah, sure, you can give it to me. Where does she live? And I said, she lives with me. And then they had a very perplexed look. I wanted to keep that suspense going, but I just cannot forgive this person for breaking the suspense around that. With that, let me introduce the subject of my roast today. It is none other than Meghla. What can I tell you about Meghla? She's a member at Dhwani, and she's also a current member at the Oracle Corporate Club. She's a VP Education there. She's an associate VP. They say you can't sail on two boats at the same time. Forget two boats. She's doing more than two boats. She does it in such a manner that you can't just escape her eyes. Diminutive as she is, she'll be sitting and then taking a video of every person's speech like this. And you have no idea. Suddenly you find it on YouTube. For someone like me, I'm a little conscious about what goes on YouTube, because with the frame that I have, sometimes they miss the upper body and only the lower body. So I would request you please angle your camera view better in terms of that. But I made up something. Meghla, M for melody, the song of life. I think you sing and you do more than that. E for expressive, not one to hold within. Majorly expressive. I don't think anyone here has not been the victim of a constant message. You say, you need to do this, you need to take this up. So much so that I was being pressurized. Mahesh, you need to give your ACB speeches. It's okay. You can give it at the coronation conference, or just give it in the house itself. Anyway, you have an evaluator there. I was trying hard to resist. I've been traveling so much. No, it's okay. You do it over Skype also. It's all right. That's the tenacity. That's the power of this person. G for glow, the warmth of your smile. But I think her smile is like an assassin's smile. It's a good smile, but it's like, be careful, I'm watching. H for hero, as she appeared to many. She is a hero. She's a hero to Dhwani, she's a hero to orators, and she's a hero to the Toastmaster fraternity as well. A for altruism, the unselfish you. I don't know about unselfish. I think everyone is selfish in their own way. So she is also selfishly aspiring to grow, which is a good thing. L for lucky. Who is more? Lucky, yes, definitely. And A for amenable, for your easygoing nature. Easygoing, but full of tenacity. That is something you want to watch out. But I can guarantee one thing. It will be a fun ride. By all means, please get to know her. She can change your life. And whatever secrets you have in the closet, we can be sure she'll be out there posting it on Facebook. Over to you, Toastmasters.